Yo my dudes, welcome back to another video. So today is actually still the same day of the video where I found out that I have a dent on my fender. As you guys can see, I'm still very bummed out about it. However, moving forward, a friend of mine, Tyler, did message me to ask me to film his car. So we're most likely going to do a review on his car, maybe drive his car. His car is also going to be part of the before and after build series. Like I mentioned before, the before and after build series won't just be spray painting work, it will be modifications as well. So what he did mention is that he is going to do some improvements on his intake. So what we're going to do today is maybe just drive the car, see what the car is capable of doing right now before he does the mods. Then when he does the mods, I'll maybe try to film him tuning and doing the mods to the car, and then also film afterwards how the car basically performs after that. So yeah, I'm not really into the whole reviewing vibe, but he just messaged me and asked me to do it, and I'm sure if you guys message me too, I'll most likely be in on that as well, because like who would say no to driving a fast car or a K20 car, for example. So yeah, I'm kind of excited for that, so that is kind of just lifting my spirit a little bit. But I am bummed out about the whole fender thing. However, I've spoken to a lot of people and they are trying to assist me. I might just work with another company and showcase their capability of removing dents, etc. And then show you guys how they are able to do that on my car as well. So yeah, I am looking into someone that is interested in doing that. But yeah, that is something to look forward to. But anyway, I'm gonna get going now. I'm gonna meet up with Tyler and then just shoot his car. So let's get going. Okay guys, so before we do go to Tyler, another guy, I think his name is Scott, messaged me to do his rear bumper, like a long split rear bumper, as well as he bought a concept sport rear bumper diffuser. So he just asked me to fit that for him. I know his car is under construction right now, but we're going to go fix the bumper in the meanwhile. So once I finish the bumper, his car will be all ready, and then we might just do a video as well. So while I wait for Tyler to get home, just gonna go fix the bumper by him quickly.
I bought it, so.
Does look full on real. How do you know it's a sticker?
Yeah, you can see, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Can see there.
But it looks real.
Yeah, you didn't do it so. You didn't have a full sheet, man. So I can say.
It's maybe overlay.
Off.
So this is F series, huh?
This is like basically the 2000 bottom, but F22 F20B.
Okay. Yo guys, so I just left Kaid's place. You mentioned that that black car is his other car, so the bump that I'm going to do is actually for his white car. don't know if I got it in the video, but he mentioned that that's a F series motor. So apparently that's like an S2000 bottom, and then it's a 8 series head. So yeah, I think it's done by Autotech. So that's just actually something really interesting I haven't seen really before. And then also that bonnet of his is actually carbon overlaid. The only issue is that you can actually see the line where the two links. But anyway, I'm going to Tyler right now. He mentioned he will be home soon. So yeah, I'll catch you guys there. Yo guys, so I just arrived to Tyler's place. This is his car over here, that's him. I'm just going to give you guys a quick walk around in the car, show you guys what the car looks like, and just let you guys know what changes is going to be done on the car. So this is his car. It's a championship edition type R. Not a lot of people in the US get this cars. I know in the UK they usually get it. What year model is it?
2010.
2010. So he just color coded the rims. It is a little bit off to the actual color of the car. You do know that. Okay, so I assume that is something he might do in future. Then yeah, this is his car. There's a Seeker rear wing, color coded, which you don't usually see. I actually like that. It gives the car a little bit of a bigger shape. As you guys know, the FN2 is also known for its egg shape. So the Seeker wing color coded actually gives it a little bit of a more shape on the side. I like that a lot. And then this is the passenger side. Not much difference. To my understanding, Tyler, there is an exhaust, and what else is on?
Exhaust, branch, induction, and on data.
On data.
Yeah.
And then this is his engine bay, guys. So to my understanding, he did mention that he is going to spray this tappet cover, and then he's also going to do the, what is it? RRC intake
J35
and J38 throttle body. 35. Okay, my mistake. So anyway, the whole point of us actually making this video is to showcase what the car looks like right now, and obviously show what mods the car has right now, and then just go for a little bit of a drive, see what the car is capable of doing, and then once he does the mods, we are going to show you guys the changes. So I will tell you guys from my personal experience how I feel about the car right now, and then how I feel later, or what how can I say pick up is different on the car. So that is just basically what I'm going to try to do also on the channel with the before and after series, showing you guys a before and after literally of you guys' cars. So yeah, just maybe try to give you guys a cinematic of his car, and then we'll go for a little bit of a drive. As you guys can see, 76 single exit, only on the one side. How is it that I have even 2 keys but you don't? Oh wait, that's Mr. GTI. Which button? Like started.
No.
Oh, just the dancer. Where is it now? This one over here. Wrong one.
It's a switch that I have a problem with. When we sort it also.
Oh, okay. Okay, but it's cool. I didn't want to show. Let me just show them this. Anyway, guys, so as you guys can see, he doesn't even have an FN2 key, but I have an FN2 key. Mad. Anyway, this is like a golf key, no?
A golf 7,
yeah. So for you guys who do not know, Tyler actually had a golf 6, a red one. That is actually how we met. His car was red, and I think it had tire lettering on.
Yeah.
So
same.
we basically like went for a photo shoot, I think, with SP Word, and that is actually how we met. So because of our cars being both red and the white tire lettering, we thought it would look cool. I'm gonna try to get those pictures and I'll just add it to this video. So that is actually just a background story of how we actually met. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to the whole cinematics and then we can go for that little bit of a drive.
Yeah.
I can understand why they say your scams in. Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna sit on the back seat so I can get a better view for you guys. So yeah, let's go. Downshows, he's a bit wiggly here at the back, man. And I must actually get me proper equipment. Okay, maar just a start off.
We'll start somewhere, bro.
But this isn't really my scene, man. Like, I'm more of just building cars and kak, but I thought let me take it out to the garage also a bitchy.
Yeah. That's what I thought when I saw you started doing the videos.
Yeah.
I thought, now why didn't you can do a video on this car? I know you like Hondas also, bro.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're shot for actually messaging me and advising me. Yeah.
Nah, okay.
Where are you gonna do the launch though? Oh, insane. Get out of so. Are we gonna drive in the M5 again or what?
Okay. We can come back as well. You can just come back at way done.
Okay guys, so Tyler's just gonna let me drive the car quickly, like I mentioned. I'm gonna feel what the car feel like before, and then obviously do a video after. What I failed also to mention that he has on data on it as well. However, the tune that they put on, I think made the car will fuel a little, so it is kind of, I think, not lagging, what's the word now again? Limp mode, so it kind of goes in limp mode. So yeah, the car isn't 100%, but when it comes back it will be. Okay guys, so we're just letting the car idle a bit. Just got back to Tyler's place right now. Few things that's different I could already pick up. There's something different I asked him immediately. We're not going to really mention what that is. However, there's a few things that I do want to mention. I like the way the car pulls. I could pick up that the ratios are a little bit kind of shorter. That's how I feel like. And another thing he mentioned is that he put on flat foot shifting. So that is something that they add on data that allows you to basically shift gears flat foot, or the car prefers you to do that when you are racing. So yeah, second gear I missed. I don't know if I'm going to put it in the video, but when he did it, it seemed so easy at the time. But yeah, there's something different about this car than other FN2s as well, so maybe that is the reason why I slipped out. But yeah, I really enjoy the car, Tyler. Like I mentioned previously, me and Tyler has met before. We did a photo shoot together some time ago when he had his red car. So he just reached out to me and mentioned that he is going to start building this car, like doing a few mods, and wanted to know if I'm interested in showing you guys that. So that is something that we are going to do going forward. This will be a video, and then I'll try to, maybe because he lives a little bit far, so I'm going to try to film what I can and then show you guys. But I definitely want to link up again with him and show you guys the new mods that's going to be on the car. So thanks a lot, Tyler. From me and Tyler, peace out.